Thinking back about love when we was young. Some things like the hand spawn fucking light in September or in June when it's so hot out swimming in the creek. And the girl's eyes have that full moon look to them like a place you want to dive deep. Think of that sweat stained bill, your ball cap and the picket fence, or the one with chain link and the crows up above the farm fields at dusk and the heart-shaped prints of white towels and the dusty fucking clay, creek bottom mud, where sometimes you can see when the first snow comes, the tracks of coyotes and that thrumming sound of the railroad cars passing in the distance. You can hear the feeling on the ground if you stop what you're doing and put your hands to the earth. And that rumble of the jets in the skies that pass overhead and that sunset sky like Lego and gold. Something soft, something beautiful, something like summer love, like when you was 20 or 18. Like a all broke down truck, full of on the fridge, pheasants and white towels and cars for Jesus and all the churches. Past the blinking screens and everyone's cellular phone and where the mobile networks and the ones that roll will never truly reach. All the cars collected like a car dealership at the churches and the TVs abandoned, the piles of snow. And summer love, and that summer love gold, shutting off all the lights, rumble strips, just like a fight between a couple people who deep down inside are in love. That bright light above just a little holiday station where folks is working, they left their pacing back and forth, clerking the fucking desk, day after day, year after year, and you come in. At some point, they become more like family than the family that you had in a way. Sort of sad, sort of beautiful, sort of bittersweet. Like when you fucking taste the apples falling from the tree on your feet, like you was nothing but a wonderful deer or wolf from a distant place. And how you stood there dope after working out in the gym, and she had her face downcast, but it lifted, and it was like a hidden in a cathedral, and you felt like an eagle while you across so many states, so many days strung together, like you could sing and you sung like a love letter from when you was young, when you was true-hearted and beautiful, and she was the same way, like the flame in the sky on a summer day, a waning moon, high like the call of a loon, something in your throat, something that makes you feel dry, makes you feel like it's summer sky, makes you feel like you want to pick up a pencil and pen, the way you roll, when you was pensive, when you was truthful, where your eyes were like her eyes were like the sky, her eyes were like the sky, like gold frame, like cold rain, her eyes were like the sky, her eyes were like the gold frame, like the cold rain. Thunder of that breeze when the windows cracked and you purring along at 50 miles per hour on a snow-covered road and feeling the style and the power and the gold and way the branches hung across the moonlight, way she fucking drank and her eyes had that thing in them that inspires every goon's fight. That fire in the fucking dry grass was 105 degrees out west, and you ply your fucking hand fast through the fucking dust like a Guess jean model fucking slipping lingerie off her booty, and cold Coors Light in the bottle type of cutie with their eyes like a couple sparks from a fucking Lucky Strike match, and you standing there in the dark with your hood up on the corner like a dragonfly gonna hatch, and you was rapping fly like the sky when it's filled with a badge of bright stars, and there's girls in their tights outside of bars like they paint on them blue jeans, the style beat like summer fucking love scenes, and the dude we fucking I love. She got like a princess in a storybook. Like when you step in and you shut the fucking snow from your boot. You shook hands with people who don't love, but they might be the day to a girl who's cute and the fez of this damn world as it fucking passes me like the fucking pages in a magazine as they flip before your eyes and fucking flip phones and fucking other guys with phones that are fucking faster. But it don't really matter cause I stood there all alone and I plastered the fucking string of fucking shit like when I seen them lit fucking between the logs fucking on a board and I'm feeling like a Manila pour, like I could pour my heart into a fucking rhythm. And girl, you was sharp and we was kissing. I hit the brakes, sort of soft like we was by the lake and cattails fucking with the fucking cattails with the lilac moon, cattails with the lilac moon, like a moon sky, like a moon, like a moon sky, like a moon, like a moon, moon, moon. Like a moon sky, like a moon, like a moon, 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 like a moon sky, like a moon, like a moon, 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 like a moon sky, like a moon, like a moon, 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 like a moon sky, like a moon, moon, like a moon, like a moon sky. Like we off work, we fly like a moon sky. Like a moon sky. Like we off work, we fly like a summer girl, we fly. Yo, cue the beat. Yo, every love song I spit, every dumb fucking blonde who's lit, fucking doing a skit like she be Juliet. I'm chewing fucking nails, I'm cool, I'm wet, like I can't fail. I got summer sky shit in my fucking sail, like a Red Bull, felt dead and tall. Your eyes locked on mine, feeling unlocked like I'm flying off the fucking cliff edge. You drift your fucking hand in my body, I'm feeling like I'm the man, I'm a hardy. Fridge with the photo type of model, local but with the throttle all the way down, like Coors Light in the bottle type of sound. I own this town and every other one too. Love letter like the sunlight on the grass with the dew. Felt like a gunfight, how fast I was with the fucking shoes. Cinderella, Coachella, well water in the fucking, I'll tell ya how you was hotter than every other girl I've been in love with. I'm gonna win it like a rough kiss, a comedy in the fucking sky, comic book hero type of guy. Some call him Zero, move on the track like King Nero. I sing like my wings be spread, we flow like fucking lead, going to gold. I'm fucking showing the rest that it don't fit the motherfucking mold. I did a round fest, I fucking guest model, fucking bottle with the sticker or label. I peel it off like a photo on Flickr or bitches soft over actors and cable. Where I'm the real shit, maple candy from the dirt, type of dandy for these flirts. Hallways with no money in your pocket, snowing. Would you love me like a Titanic photo in a locket? I'm a rocket like a Rolling Stone, Indiana Jones in the bed with the white sheets like the snow. I make you moan like a fighter when he throws with his feet. Kiss you through the phone like a love song. I'm elite, fucking up on the dome, call it Murphy. Moving on the track like a golden rapper, Hershey, Willy Wonka type of hunk who's a punk on the corner, type to storm the motherfucking gates like we was with no brakes. Snowing at the lake's edge, jump the fucking fence like you want me with your photo on the fridge. Motherfucking snow on the ridge, I glow like I'm here to get rich. Make this world my bitch, I got the itch to go sky high like a rocket, dragonfly gonna fly. Yeah, I move on the track like I'm a fucking hot shit. Hot shit like it's summer, girl you move like a rocket, you a lover. Hot shit like it's summer, girl you move like a rocket. You be my muse, you be my lover. Hot shit like it's summer, hot shit like it's summer. Yeah, let's do it again. I'm fluent, I'm zen. Hot shit like it's summer, girl you be my muse, you be my lover. Hot shit like it's summer, you be my muse, you be my lover. Hot shit like it's summer, girl you be my muse, you be my lover. I can't lose, I've been shut Turk in too long. I'm gonna win it. Them hoes that are lanky and thin in the thong know that I've got my fucking trim and shit fucking unshaven, like I came from the back caving. All them flags would they be waving? Yeah. 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 Gold shade, flat brimmed hat. I'm cold like it's been a few years since I've got laid. So I wanna get some ex-hoes fucking faces a tat on my fucking ass, like I'm fucking going fast. I'm flowing like a stack of motherfucking cash, make it be spent. Summer day, late night, yeah, we had no money for a fucking rent. They turned into a fight in a sand. Fucking mixed feelings in the words. I'm checking it out like I was stealing my hand like the feathers of a bird. Cross your fucking cheek and you lost like you was lost without me for so many weeks. Spring fling type of love. I sing like my wings grow and I can fly out at the raw with my fucking flow into the smooth sailing times. Like you was my muse and we was not even counting the dimes. We was squeezy, we was easy. I'm on the track like a Bay Area rapper, call him G-Eazy. Or like fucking Michael Phelps, I could swim 1,000 yards, crowding me in the fucking pars, fucking shadow. I move on the track like I'm Eminem in Detroit, this is a battle. 50 Cent with the Oscar acting. I'm feeling like I'm the boss and you all be trying to be subtracting me from the fucking equation. I'm on the track like I could lead the nation. Red, white, blue, I got a helmet, I got a summer night. I felt you through the distance. You're the type who kisses mints on the table, diner with the rhymer, candy from the dirt, maple. I'm feeling fine like a staple with the fucking lost dog. I'm the boss in the fucking fog, but girl, you be the light that leads the fight inside of my heart. I'm riding sharp, I'm out to sea, I'm back in the beat. I'm back in the beat with you, like a summer love. I'm back in the beat with you, like I'll never get enough. I'm back in the beat with you, like a summer love, like I'll never get enough. I'm back in the beat with you, like a summer love, like I'll never get enough. Like I'm here to win, baby, you can see the light in my eyes. You can see that moon that's thin in the sky, like the light in the waves. Girl, you know I'm coming for you like a superhero from the Batcave. Like I'm on that stoop with no money, King Nero and her skin's like honey, wings like a gummy bear. Girl, you sugar, you sweet, you nice and you like an eclair with the cream. You with that love scene, with that porch door screen, banging like we fucking all night. In that hallway, I would stop and scribble rhyme after rhyme, I would write like I was LeBron James, dribbling on the fucking court, speeding slams like all that shit be against me. And I was a sailor in the poker, and you was a queen. You was a princess, yeah, you was a queen. I'ma win this test, girl, you be a dream like a fucking screen door. You be a dream like summer love, and you know I mean peace now. Peace, peace now, war, and you hot like an on-sale skull. Flat brim hat with the gold shades. Love affairs like we were swimming in the Everglades. Everglades. Y'all got one more fire verse, bitch. I'm here to get rich. Fire this fucking track, motherfuckers, like we're not looking back, motherfuckers. Fire on this track like I'm not looking back. I'm hood shit like a fucking shack, burned to the fucking dust, to the white snow. I flow with no rust, like you could Skype your boyfriend who looks more sharp. I don't give a shit. On your mark, set, go. My flow be the best in the fucking galaxy. I don't care if my rhymes stutter when I mutter. The shit's fluent like they say I blew it, but I came back from death's edge. Photo on the fridge, by her desk. I guess that I'll lead the motherfucking pack like a wolf track. They say he's black even if he's white. I'm feeling like a shack and fucking flame. I'm going into flight. You can remember my name, December. Campfire ember. When her fucking gaze lingers on my fucking silhouette. Singers gon' get wet when they be hoes. Fucking on the stage with my flows. Like I'm on cage, stole the rage like a fucking rave girl in a fucking bikini. Motherfucking flights to Tahiti, weedy, fucking finish line for the finest. Wintertime, I'm the rhymer kiss. A fucking snow in the middle of the summer. Whittling the fucking world with my flow. Type of lover who makes his girl the fucking finish of them. Oh yeah. Finish of it all, yeah. Finish of it all, I'm out of breath in the hall, yeah. No money in. Her eyes be like honey, yeah. Gold light in my shades. Cold night, we was getting laid. Slipping on you, babe. Off your fucking curves. Soft for you, girl, with them words. Summer love be like wings when you sing. Like birds to wing when you sing, yeah. Like I heard all them things, yeah. Like I cling to the thought of us. Summer love be like them waves on a seashore with no rust. Summer love be like back caves and superheroes. Late nights when we felt like we were zeros. Felt the sky over the lake, yeah. I got my bucket low like I'm fucking spinning love songs that go, yeah. Summer love, like if I had a lighter, I'd flash it so you could see my eyes. Summer love, like, even if I was showing cash, you know I'm better than the other guys. Like a snowman, like your eyes when it was glowing. Like we was touching each other, making love and we was flowing. Whisper in my ear, you can bite my coat around my lip. I'm a stone the gates with no fear, girl. You know that you make me out to be the shit. You make me out to be the shit, yeah. Summer love, yeah, summer love. Summer love, you know you made me out to be the shit, like we'll never get enough. Summer love, like we'll never get enough. Whether like you wear your lips. She's doing the makeup and when I show up I wanna be more than a blip on a radar. Wearing that faded radar jersey. Way she done her lipstick and way she pursed the lips. She got a love song in her eyes. Like raindrops in raindrops in summer skies. She got a love song in her eyes. Raindrops in summer skies. Raindrops in summer skies.